Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan S. This 650 twin cylinder cruiser just arrived with only 18,800 miles. Beautiful metallic black and silver paint scheme with the green highlights. It's got the engine guards, windscreen, 12-volt power takeoff, rear passenger seat and foot pegs, and a passenger backrest, brand new front tire. This thing is in beautiful condition. Come on by and make your Vulcan S dreams come true for just $54.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. ABS brakes too. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.